so today we're gonna start installing this steering wheel. I am waiting for the hub to come in the mail. So guys, I can't wait to put this in. You already know, look at this, looks nice. I've been waiting to actually put this in for the longest time since I got the car. This will actually be my first wheel ever, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna start going ahead and taking this other wheel off. I already got the airbag out. He already took that out, so that's out already. Now I'm just gonna actually straighten out the wheel a little bit, and yeah, about to put it in for you guys. Check it out. Oh yeah, definitely an improvement with this right here. Alright. So, got a good idea what it's gonna look like. Maybe right here. But wow guys, I'm actually really psyched. I can't wait. The hub's coming in later on. Probably in a couple hours. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Wow, it actually looks nice. And it's so much lighter than this, dude. Oh, like it takes a little bit of strength to hold this up. This is just, it's nothing. It's a pound. Wow, that's so crazy. Dude, I'm so happy. Yeah, that's dope. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys when I get the hub. I'm gonna put that in, and then we can go do like a POV drive just to see how it looks from the back view over here. So, because I know the camera's right there, I'm gonna put it right here on the rear windshield so you can see the whole car too. But yeah, it looks dope. I like how it looks. Alright guys. Alright, so we just got the hub in the mail. I'm about to put it on right now. It's actually not that bad. I got it's called a Kyostar. It's an off-brand knockoff. Almost really, it's kind of similar to NRG. It actually really isn't that bad. It's a little scratched up, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it should work fine. Let's see how we put this thing on. Oh, take that off. Alright, so let's see. Maybe is that right? Let's see. Make sure. Alright guys, well that's the steering wheel. I just took it out for a drive. It drives really nice. It's a little different for me because, like I said, this is my first ever steering wheel, so it does feel a lot more stiffer when you're driving, as when you're turning. But yeah, I like it overall. It looks nice. It looks really pleasing to look at. Now I just gotta get a new shifter. I'm gonna rebuild that whole thing. I'm actually gonna get a either a Cooler Works self-centering shifter, or maybe a chassis mounted shifter. I mean, and then rebuild the whole. Well, actually get a we call it a selector rod and a new what do you call it, bearing selector rod to the transmission, whatever you call it, and replace all that so it can shift a lot more better. But yeah, guys, that's it. Oh yeah, this wheel isn't sponsored by any means. I'm not sure what the company name. Let me see what's the company name. Sport, or Hiwow Sport. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but that's the brand I got. Yeah, guys. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye.